Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, be sure to hit that subscriber button. Let's grow this family together. Also, be sure to check out my podcast at the Dima Podcast for the best podcast content ever. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already ready. I know. Actually, 11:05 p.m. and way past my bedtime. Let me just make that clear. Yes, I sleep early. So unlike you normally get ready with me, I figured this time we get unready together and I share my nighttime routine with all of you because it is just as much my favorite part of the day as it is getting ready in the morning. And I know that you're dying to know how I go to sleep, what I do before, what happens here, what I look like under here. I know. I do want to say having a nighttime care routine is so freaking important. Like how you get into bed, I feel like just sets the mood on how you're gonna get up the next morning. I'm a very type A person. I have to do everything. It could be 4 in the morning, I'll come home. I refuse to sleep with my makeup on. There's no chance. I don't care if I'm in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna do my nighttime routine. So it's changed a little bit since I've last filmed it, and I'm gonna share it with all of you. I'm gonna take you to the bathroom with me, and we're just gonna get right to it. So if you wanna see me get unready and how I get ready for bed, my nighttime routine, then please continue to watch this video. I just wanna say that I've had this makeup on since 8 in the morning. Just saying. Of course I touched it up throughout the day, but she's glowing. Wow, we made it. We're in my bathroom. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. So I have to say I'm a big robe gal. Absolutely 10 out of 10. If you ever want to get me a gift, just get me like a house robe, a get ready with me robe, a spa robe, whatever. This one's just from Target and it's so good. And there's a bunch on Amazon too that you can get. No matter how the night looks, after I shower, after I rinse, I throw on a robe. And then once I start like my skin prep and stuff, I have to just be in a robe and pajamas as well. Love pajamas. We're gonna just jump right into our nighttime skincare routine. The first thing I like to do is just take off all my jewelry because I don't want it to get wet. I don't want it to fall, or just like I don't need it on because I'm gonna go in and apply so many things. So I'm just gonna remove all these things, my rings. And then I get all the hair out of my face because we're really gonna get into our skin. And this cute headband, I've said it before, is from Amazon. We love her. She's cute. You can also just like tie your hair, which I'm gonna do too. And it's gonna go in a messy bun because tomorrow morning we're washing it, okay? I've changed my nighttime skin routine quite a lot. I used to use like a oil base like makeup remover where it was like a cream and I would just like kind of melt everything off on my skin first. I used to go in with micellar water. Now you guys, I'm just so lazy and I just don't have time. So I go straight to a face wash and just wash it off. I've been using this for years. The Cerave Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser. This is my go-to face wash. It's so good for sensitive skin. I have rosacea. We all know this. I say it every time. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It does not scrape your skin. It takes all my makeup off. It's honestly the best. Like the best at your local Target drugstore, 10 out of 10. I've tried everything. I'll tell you guys right now, I always come back to this. Like you don't need to have all the other stuff. This is all you need. So good. The only thing I do wipe off is my lipstick because it's just like too thick to get off with water. So these things, my best friend gave them to me. You can get them from Amazon. They go on your wrist like this because when you're washing your face, the water drips down and like I want to cry when that happens. It's like the worst thing in the world. So annoying. They're like little towels on your wrists. We love them. Okay, so I'm just putting water on my face first, kind of getting everything to kind of loosen up and melt. Then I go right in with the CeraVe and I begin just like moisturizing this into my face and starting with my cheeks, under my eyes where I have concealer, my nose, my forehead, my eyebrows. You're gonna see it all come off. And then I'll go in one more time after that and do my mascara. And yes, I put this over my eyes and it's fine. Like you don't need to be alarmed. I've been doing this for years. Okay, now that I look terrifying, I'm gonna go in for the second time and now I'm gonna really massage this into my eyes and everywhere else. Honestly, if you don't do this twice, I don't even see you anymore. Are you there? You need to cleanse like twice, sometimes even 3 times, because if you only do it once and you wipe your face and it all comes off on the towel, you didn't cleanse enough. So I cleanse like 2 to 3 times. Okay, all off, I take a clean face towel and I just dab it and get all the water off. Yes, this is the same person under there. Next step before I start my skincare is I brush my teeth. So you need to brush your teeth at night, let's be honest. Okay, let's move on to skincare. Now, my go-to nighttime moisturizer has changed. It used to be the Cerave PM. Recently, I've been using the Murad. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, you guys. It is so good. I've seen a difference. I've started using vitamin C products and my skin is so bright. So I'm like kind of into that right now. I switch it up every now and then. I love this. It's a pump like that, so you just get a good amount out there. And I just put some on my face. I'm running low, clearly. I've been using a lot. And I just put it like that. And I begin massaging this, and this is my nighttime moisturizer. It's so good. Always take care of your neck. The neck needs love. These next two products are insane. You have to pay attention, okay? So this is the Biossance. It's the Squalane Vitamin C Rose Oil. Squalane is essentially a like saturated oil. It comes from plants. There's two. One is actually from shark liver, so make sure that you read the right one. You want the one from plants that's natural, and it's changed my skin. Like I have some redness naturally, that's always been there, and I'm also breaking out, but that's normal. It's like seasonal, but I have seen a difference with vitamin C, I'm telling you. So this serum is so good. It lifts and hydrates and plumps your skin. It doesn't feel like it clogs my pores. Like it literally just melts into my skin, and it's like it gives you a glass glowy finish. And then with that, I use the Biossance eye cream. Same thing, it has squalane in it, a bunch of other good stuff in it as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not consistent with eye cream. Every now and then I'll stop using it and then I'll start using it again. You need to be consistent, but for me, I just feel like sometimes my eyes get super sensitive under, my skin texture changes, so I'm like on and off with it. This one has been just as good. Like I've been using it probably for like 3 weeks now, and I've seen like such brightness under my eyes. It's wild. So this is part of my night care recently, and I'm loving it. Always love to do some sort of hydration. This is the Tower 28. It's the Save Our Skin facial spray. This stuff is so good. This actually helps with my redness. It's wild. So I think a combination of all these products has really like brightened my skin, gave it some youth, and like just brought back some hydration to it. Finally, my favorite Laneige lip mask, which you see me wear all the time. I don't just wear this at night. I wear it during the day too because it's the most amazing lip mask. We love her. Plumps your lips, hydrates them. You wake up, your lips feel so good. That's it for my skincare. Every now and then I'll do an eye mask depending on what they look like. Lately they're not too bad, so I'm not too mad at that, but I think the eye cream is really helping. But yeah, I keep it simple after my 10 steps. I keep it simple, yes. But it just feels really good at the end of the day to just take everything off and like go to sleep looking dewy like this. Like I want to look shiny. If you don't look shiny, I'm like, something's not right. That's it for me, guys. I'm just gonna brush my hair, put it up in a messy bun, and honestly call it a night. Hold on. Here we are in bed. We made it. We made it. This is honestly the best time of the day because I don't sleep enough. So because I suffer from insomnia, naturally, I like to read before bed. I try to stay off my phone. I try to minimize my like screen time. I do have a TV in my room and I have yet to get rid of it. I really do love reading something before bed because it really helps get me tired and put me to sleep. I've been reading this book by Catherine Price. It's The Power of Fun. So good. And my favorite jammies, also from Target. I'm a big jammy girl. Like I said, I can't sleep in anything else besides pajamas. Like it's just a thing. Again, it goes with my nighttime routine. So, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. And until next time, I'll see you later.